Hey guys, and welcome to What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. Today I'm going to talk about some other things I like other than scrapbooking, and I'm going to do that for the next few things. Some of them are semi-scrapbooking related in the fact that you see for today, you see my hands, like every video I do, because that's how we film. And a lot of times I will have my nails done. I do not go and get them professionally done. I do them myself. I used to actually sell for Jamberry, and I just got too busy, and the company was selling, and it freaked me out because there was a lot of shady crap going on, and there really was. But they did get bought out. Jamberry still exists. I still don't mind their product. I really like their gel system, actually. It's awesome. There's a lot of good colors. I'm actually going to do my toes today, I'm pretty sure. And that led to some friends, and there's some local people actually that I talk to even more now because we were all in direct sales together. So she did Jamberry, and then she started doing Color Street, which is also a great one. But they still, like with all the hand washing I did as a medical assistant and working in the medical field, technically you're not supposed to have your nails done, but it's kind of one of those old school rules. When they didn't wear gloves for everything, we wear gloves for everything. Or at least in my situation, we always had gloves on, so you didn't see my nails anyway. And I practice really good hygiene when putting on my nails, taking off my nails. Anyway, that's besides the point. I'm sure there's gonna be people, if they see this, they're gonna be like, nope, can't wear nails. That's fine. If you can't, I was allowed to where I was. And like I said, I literally wore nails anytime I touched anything, or gloves, I mean. So my nails were not gonna be a factor. Anyway, so I was finding, like, because of all the hand washing and alcohol and all that, my Color Street, Jamberry, none of them lasted. The gel would last a little bit longer. What else would last a little bit longer? Yeah, pretty much that. Yep. They had a color cure, I believe it was, which ended up reacting with a lot of people's skin, so they took it off the market. I still have it, but it worked really well. But it makes your skin really, really itchy after a while. Like, ugh. But it works really well, and it's super quick to use. So a friend, her name is Jenna. I will have her link, her Facebook group down below, and her link to her like a version of this. She sold Jamberry with me, still sells Jamberry. She sells a lot of things. She's in direct sales a lot. She's a farmer's wife. She has her own side hustles, and it's awesome. She does an amazing job. She introduced me to Red Aspen nails, which they also do fake eyelashes, which was a huge boom in 2020 because all people were doing were wearing masks. So you put fake eyelashes on, you look gorgeous, and people don't have to see the rest of your face, but it really enhanced the only feature that you could see. So it was like brilliant. I have yet to try their fake eyelashes. I'm tempted to, especially now that I'm not going to be working in the medical field anymore. But I don't know if I will because, yeah. But Red Aspen nails, they're like an acrylic nail. They're called nail dashes, but they're amazing. They have like a high quality glue that to put them on. And they're awesome. They have lasted me over 2 weeks. And what's great about them is because they're like a really good high quality acrylic, they don't, like, if they pop off, you can put it back on. They don't break. There's been a couple versions of it that I've had. I think they were older, maybe some of their earlier models or designs that have tore a little bit. But for the most part, no. Like, that's what's amazing about them. So they had a release, and so I recently got some new ones from her stash and from a new release, and I just wanted to share. Like, these ones are from last fall. I wanted them so bad. They're plaid. I have some new ones coming that are literally neon green. I can't wait to get them. But I love these things. So I have them in all sorts of colors, and it's awesome because I can reuse them. So I'm going to put some on, and then if I want to change it up, I can, or I can reuse them. So this is like an example of what they come in. I've got some holographic. They have matte finish. They have ones that actually have texture on them as well. I'm not a fan of having texture on my nails, but They have pattern, they have solids. I'm just a huge fan of solids. I store them, and I'm not getting told to talk about them at all. Just some favorite things of mine that I love. So if you're looking in the market for something to do your nails with that lasts a really long time, and they're like acrylic, so your nails are gonna get damaged no matter what you put on your nails, so don't let any company tell you otherwise. But these are pretty good. Like when they pop off by themselves, they're not ripping my nail off because the glue, you put a layer of glue, so it's the glue that stays on. So really, as long as you're not tearing them off before they're ready, you will do minimal damage to your nails. But like after a week or so of them being off, my nails go back to normal. So I in general have kind of like brittle, peely nails, vitamins, etc., that I should probably put in my body that I don't, because I'm lazy. But these are honestly great, and like I said, you can keep them. So I keep all the sizes that I wear, and then some, just in case one does get lost or break. And I have all different colors, and I love it. These are all those same ones. I separated them, which was silly because I need more room. Same with these. But yeah, tons of different patterns. Like I said, I will have Jenna, my nail dealer, I will have her Facebook group linked down below, and I will have her like version of the website so that if you decide to order, you get credit. She gets the credit. They have awesome sales every once in a while too. They have a loyalty box where monthly you can get shipped like exclusive nails to only the loyalty box. And then yeah, and some of those are awesome. I have gotten a couple of them. Each box comes with full set of nails, and then it comes with a filer and a buffer. You have to buff your nail as best you can, and then a cuticle pusher. I don't use those. I have a set from Jamberry that is like my favorite, and I don't know where it is at the moment. I think it's upstairs. But you just wipe with alcohol, wash your hands really good, and then you alcohol them off. You put some glue on, and then put the nail on and hold it for 10 seconds, and bam, they're ready to go. Because I'm a very sloppy painter. I can't paint nicely. The glue the first few times was pretty epic. I glued myself to myself. That was fun. So the glue is really good. Like, it's glue. So yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to share these with you because I think they're fun. And I think I'm going to do a mixed mani with these 3. Because I thought that would be fun. Or should I do this iridescent instead of the pink? No, that's a little much. But I love these ones. These are just like white with like a gray fleck. And it's fun because they have fun names. Santorini Caldera, this one. Catherine and the Ballet Slipper. This one's Robin's Egg Blue, but it's Robin like a name. Haley Loves to Draw. Astrid's Pink Avalanche. Millie Plaid, and then the names go on and on. I don't even remember what these ones are because I threw all the boxes away. But yeah, super fun. Is this the same? No. I thought I had the Ballet Slipper. I think I gave them away. Because yeah, this is... Oh, maybe I do! Maybe I do already have the Ballet Slipper. I think I do. So who wants a box? If you want to try them out, I will totally send you a box because apparently I got the exact same. I'm pretty sure these are the same. I thought I had Ballet Slipper, but I wasn't sure. I should keep track better of what I have, honestly. Oh yeah, these are totally the same. And even if they're not, who needs 2 of the exact same? Yeah. So, who wants a box? I'll give this away. Comment below if you want to try them, and I'll pick somebody's name next Sunday and I'll send them to you. How about that? That sounds great. So we'll do that. If you guys want to try them, the instructions are back here. They're perfect. If you want other tips, let me know after you get them, and I will give you some tips. But I can get them all applied in like 15 minutes or less, and that's awesome because I can find time to do that. So that's what's new in my world, is a new shipment of nails. I'm going to go do my nails right now. And we'll see you next time. But comment below if you want to try them out. Bye, guys.